Welcome to the 2026 Bowling Update video. I am Jonathan, the bowling administrator, and Amanda is the bowling assistant. Please do not hesitate to reach out with any questions after the video. You can call our office or send us an email, we would be happy to help. Just a few important dates to be aware of on the screen. The main date you need to be aware of is the final entry deadline is February 13. New for the 2025-2026 season. New sectional sites. As we continue to grow, we have added 2 additional sectional sites to help with our overcrowding and long days at our current sites. We now have 6 sectional sites. The number of advancers will stay the same and will be shared when the schedule for the sectionals is released during the season. See terms and conditions. The online roster has changed dates. The online roster will now be due the Friday the week before the sectional. This allows the bowling sites to have more time to make lane assignments and will only have to deal with minor changes leading up to the sectional tournament. Cheering on the approach. We now have a recommendation in the terms and conditions to help control the shouting, screaming and noisemaking while on the approach. Coaches, please communicate this with your bowlers that while on the approach this should not be taking place. IESA entry fee and how to register. All registration information, number of students competing, must be completed and submitted online in the IESA Member Login Center located on the IESA website. A school must create an invoice and have their payment of $22 per bowler postmarked by the initial entry deadline. Schools have up until the final entry deadline to create an invoice and have payment postmarked, but doing so after the initial entry deadline may result in additional fees. Information and directions on how to register is on our iesa.org website under bowling. Please let me know if you have any questions. Point of emphasis this bowling season. Scoring issues. If a scoring issue arises, please stop bowling immediately and ask for assistance from the tournament manager. It is a lot easier to take care of a problem when it happens right away rather than 3 frames later. Make sure your bowlers understand this. Coaches in pit area. Pit passes are not transferable. They are only issued to the coaches on the school's online roster. Individual contestants are only allowed 1 coach in the pit area. Coaches without a coach pit pass and coach wristband are subject to removal from the competition. Cheering. Please make sure your bowlers are being respectful while on the approach. We do not want bowlers distracted because of screaming and yelling from other students on the approach. See terms and conditions for more information. Coaches. To serve as a head coach, assistant coach, unpaid volunteer coach, or in any coaching capacity, the individual must meet the IESA requirements outlined in IESA by Law 2.110. This can be found on our website. Please reach out with any questions. State Series reminders. Bowlers from the same school competing in the same division shall appear in matching tops and appropriate bottoms. The matching tops shall be identical and must bear the school, district name, logo and/or mascot. They may include polos, t-shirts or jerseys. Appropriate bottoms may vary amongst members of the team and include slacks, jeans without holes, skirts, skirts or golf shorts. Unacceptable apparel includes, but is not limited to, tank tops, cutoffs, t-shirts that advertise alcohol, drugs, or explicit material, jeans with holes or patches, hats or headgear, athletic shorts, spandex, and/or yoga pants. State Series reminders. Injury. If an injury takes place and the team has exhausted the 2 substitutions permitted in a game, the school must proceed without replacement of the injured bowler. A score of 0 will be entered for any remaining frames in which the injured bowler cannot compete. Leaving the pit area. In the event a bowler is found to have left the pit to receive coaching instruction from a spectator during the round, the 3rd violation of this offense will result in disqualification from the remainder of the State Series. State Series reminders. Revised consequences for a player, coach and fan ejections are detailed in the terms and conditions on our website under bowling. Please review these changes and let me know if you have any questions. State schedule. Please review the state schedule on the screen so you are familiar with the report times and the times for each day. Reminder. There is an optional check-in time for the Thursday evening for schools who want to get their information ahead of time and not worry about it on Friday. Please use this optional check-in time to your advantage. It will be from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Vendors and resources. Be sure and check out our vendors cubbyhole for all your apparel needs. And Event Pro that will take all your team pictures. They will both be on site at the state tournament. Be sure to check out our terms and conditions and other valuable information on our website along with USBC rules for any new coaches or veteran coaches who want to continue to build their bowling knowledge. Bowling Advisory Committee. Please reach out if you want to be a part of our Bowling Advisory Committee. We are always looking for new faces and new ways to continue to improve bowling as an activity. Thank you for watching and good luck on this upcoming season. See you at the state tournament in April.